Yeah. Look out like dogs, but let's be honest. Cat in the corner like, nah, I'm good. Dog like, please, love and misunderstood. Cat got goals, dog got knees. Dog barking that air, cat just leaves. Cat watch it like a documentary. Dog tell the cops when you got a key. Cat knock shit off just to feel alive. Dog stitch on himself when you just got high. Cat don't care if you're mad or sad, still gon' sit where you told him don't. Down. Dog need walks, talks, praise and treats. Cat need silence, sun and peace. Independence cold, that's the flex. Cat say feed me, that's the text. Dog act like HR, clocking your move. Cat like exists, better than moves. Cat disappear, dog panic fast. Cat come back like, yeah, I let the block. Dog royalty loud, cat loyalty rare. That's why it hit harder when the cat's still there. I don't need worship, I don't need chase. Just go exist in the same damn space. Respect an animal that don't give a fuck. That's grown man energy, that's a dog luck. Cats don't need you, they choose you.